Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ICP fam. This is Hector, aka OG Decentralized. I wanted to do a video today because I am going to be consistent on doing my one video a day until ICP hits $100. Now, I think a lot of you thought I wasn't going to do a video because of the bill incident yesterday. But there's a lot of bullish news for ICP. And for the newbies, if I could get one new person to come into ICP from any other ecosystem, that's like a big deal for me. Whether it be in the meme space or they fall in love with the technology, like I have, it's a big plus. We all win, we all lose in crypto every now and then, but the point is to keep moving forward and keep chucking along. ICP just had a major integration with HBAR. So hopefully we'll be seeing a lot of news about that in the next coming days. I don't know exactly the technical details of that, but the way I see it, they're probably going to use ICP as part of their web storage compute platform as opposed to using like Amazon or any other web hosting platforms. So I kind of just want to talk about ICP today and price targets that I think it's going to hit. When I got into ICP, it was roughly, I have a cost barrier of about maybe $4 or $5. I was around when the first SNS came out. I just didn't know what the hell that was, so I didn't invest in it. But in the last bull market, I made some money on Cardano, and I was messing around with different memes, and it was very easy to make money on different types of things because everything was kind of new to me, and I guess you have that kind of beginner's luck. But this time around, the reason I got into ICP was, number one, the community. Everybody's really cool on explaining things to you, whether you're a techie or you're not. Some have to get better at it. But I really got locked in on the fact that I can make a 14 to 15% APR for the rest of my life on just staking my 8-year neuron, So anything I say in this video is not financial advice. Do your own research, make your own decisions. But for the most part, that hooked me because the reason I don't have the amount of Cardano as I did last bull market is because most people in crypto, I'm that panic seller, and the way I figured, I was like, hey, let's secure the bag first, love the technology, and see what it does. So projections for ICP, I think ICP could definitely hit a minimum $100. I'm shooting for about $300 to $400 this cycle if all those integrations do happen. But let's see. I think it's definitely one to watch, and it's going to surprise a lot of people. Now, utility-wise, this is what I wanted to talk about for the newbies who don't get why ICP people are the way that they are. They don't realize that maybe the rest of the crypto space doesn't get what ICP is, So, Solana, Ethereum, even Cardano, other ecosystems, they're not really on-chain platforms. What it would cost them to store a picture or a NFT or whatever it is, a website, for example, would be astronomical for a developer. So what these blockchains do, besides ICP, is they store data that is expensive to store on their chain on Web 2 platforms like Amazon Web Services or Microsoft Web Services or any other cloud sort of type of thing. The nice thing that ICP has done, it's kind of like this crypto cloud, and that's one of the memes that's on ICP right now. It's cloud. I would check it out. Do your own research on that one. I'll cover cloud in another video. But the way you can think of ICP is just that way. Other blockchains are going to start integrating with ICP because it's going to be very cheap just to host their platforms on ICP as opposed to moving their platforms onto Amazon Web Services. So the future of AI is here as well. AI costs a lot of money to run things on chain. I think Bobby O the other day had a nice dispute with one of the guys from, I believe, eGold is what it used to be, and they were wondering why can't they host LLMs on chain? it's just not possible. It's too expensive. So I think ICP is that solution to a lot of things that current Web 2 infrastructure can't host. And with the coming of Caffeine AI, which is a self-writing internet, I just think it's going to be more bullish and bullish and bullish. You know, so today was just like a general like update on crypto space vibe, you know, Twitter, crypto Twitter, that kind of stuff. We won't go into details on very many stuff, but integrations are coming. I would definitely keep your eye on the internet computer. It's definitely one that has stolen my heart in a way. People say don't marry your bags, but I'm kind of married to this bag on the 8-year neuron, but I also have some liquid on the side, you know, so don't put everything in an 8-year neuron if that's the way you're going to go. But just realize that this is probably one of the only few blockchains that's going to be around in the next cycle, the cycle after that, and the cycle after that. We're getting in a point in crypto where it's just oversaturated, where we're going to have this crypto bubble, where only the coins that actually have utility, the layer 1 blockchains, actually survive. And I think the internet computer, powered by Definity, is going to be one of those. You guys have a great day. Enjoy your weekend. See you guys tomorrow.